This mini split. So this is set up. Have two mini splits. One right here and one over here. So this is what we're working with. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the vacuum on it. And look. I'm about to pull the vacuum on this, so I think I took this screw out. On these mini splits, you gotta use a special type of fittings to go on here. So you can't use nothing that's on your gauges. You gotta use, I think it's a 5/8. So just keep that in mind. What I do with my pliers. This is the king valve right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist this. So when I get done pulling my vacuum, I'm gonna go ahead and open the line up, release the freon. Yeah, you gotta use these adapters. I hooked plenty mini splits up. When I first started doing mini splits, I thought I could use my gauges. Hey, it won't work. So now I hook my gauges to here, to the end. All right. I got my pump. Get some power. Hey. Y'all see what happens when you let people use your stuff? Look, when you let other people use your stuff, look, they don't care nothing about it. Now I gotta give me some more clips. Yeah, I want to see everybody succeed in life. Yeah, I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody succeed in life. Yeah, I want to see everybody succeed in life. Yeah, I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody succeed in life. Yeah, I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody succeed in life. Yeah, I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody succeed in life. Yeah, I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody succeed in life. Yeah, I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody succeed in life. Yeah, I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody succeed in life. Yeah, I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody succeed in life. Yeah, I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody succeed in life. Yeah, I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody succeed in life. Yeah, I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody do good, man. I want to see everybody do good Oh Lord. I'm gonna get my extension cord. Alright, y'all, I had to turn the main power off, so since it's already broke, I'm just gonna cut this off. I'm hooking this straight to the power, the line side. I don't need about 120 volts, so I'll return the power off. So make sure you power off before you do anything. All right. You know, I got this right here, just more work, you know. All right, this is where I got my plug right here to the power. I can use it if I'm gonna put the fuse in there, but I'm not. So I just want to get straight power. That's the line. So this is how I got it. I got the hot, I got the ground, and I got the ground. Let's make 120. If I want to run 240, I put this right here on the other hot, and I put this on the ground. That's 240. So I don't need nothing but 120. So. All right, I got some power, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up. All right, hook my bracket line up. All right, technician, we're ready to rock and roll. All right. Hey, I'll tell y'all something else. This right here, the wireless. Hey, if you can get this, man. Hey, man, this awesome. I use this a lot. I use this to do installs, or if I'm adding Freon. But I can add Freon using this too. So this my go-to when I'm going to a customer house. I use this setup right here. So I got you know what you need to get the job done. So the temp gauges, where the temp probes, and I use my bag right here. This is what I use when I'm going to a customer house. But when I'm doing installs, I use this a lot. All right, this the micron putting a vacuum right here. So I'm gonna let it get to 500 microns. Then I'm gonna go ahead and release the Freon and start it up. Then I'm gonna do the other one the same way. So I'm gonna take y'all to the inside, let y'all see the inside on power heads. While this putting the vacuum Oh man, don't you just love your job? Love it. All right, this one power head right here. So we're finna get this going. Let me set the double lock. Okay, that's one. Okay, this is another power head right here in the front living room. Right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this going right here. This wire, these wires right here, I'm gonna install it. So I'm installing the pump. We got a pump right here. So I'm gonna install the pump. Well, I already installed the pump, so I'm gonna install the wiring to that so it can cut off if the pump shuts off, just for safety reasons. We got another one right here. So we got the pump. You know, we'll put a vacuum on this one. This go to the second unit, not the one that I'm working on now, but the second one. It's got that, got the line set, you know. These mini splits, man, hey, ain't nothing wrong with mini splits. This house original right here, it didn't have no AC system when they built the house, so we just installed, you know, mini splits. Here go another one right here, so another mini split. I really didn't need to put no pump. I didn't need to put no pump right here because we got the condensate line is running outdoor on the opposite side, so we got the line just running on the outdoor, the drain line. All right, we're at 720, so get ready for inspection. This is the other line set right here at the bottom for the other power head unit. There go the line set going that way, going this way, going up to the other unit that's in the back bedroom. All right, Tex, I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I'm gonna turn it back on. Peace. Grab some out the truck right quick. I'm about to go ahead and release the freon so I can start on the next one. We don't have no leak. If we had a leak, it won't count down. I tell you that now. It'll stop at 29, and it won't go no. You know, we just stop at 29. It won't go no further. So we good right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it and release the freon. we go, folks. Just released the Freon. I don't need to add no Freon. According to the line said, it's not that long. It go from right here to right there, and then from right here to right there. So we don't need to add no Freon, you know. So. All right, we released the Freon. Oh, the McKinney bag, I'm tripping. Ignitions, I got one going, so. So we're getting cold air, so the water line, condensate line holes right here. So all right, so we got this one going. Woo, feel air. Oh my goodness. This is like the best air that I've felt in a long time. Oh man, that feels good. Woo! Yeah, so this going, I'm going to put the cover back over here. Then I'm gonna close it down and I'm done with that. Alright, so I'm about to go turn the power off. Alright. Well, go about turn the power off. Oh yeah. That one I think of this one. Disconnect on the left. That disconnect on the right. I think of that one. All right, just to make sure the power is off. My light, no power. Oh, wrong way. Oh, another thing, if you look into your breaker, and I'm gonna show y'all some. If this say, let's say, if you look at your plate, and it say 20, it gonna say 20 ounce. There we go, right here, maximum overcurrent protection device, 20 ounce. If they said 20 ounce, and if you look in your breaker panel, if you have a 40-50, that's fine. That's fine. But make sure this right here is 20 ounce. Make sure your fuse is rated for 20 ounce. You should be okay. That's just another thing, you know, that you can do. This right here is 20. Technician, I got everything going, so I'm about to wrap it up. All right, technician, pay